So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our GBP USD. So let's see what GBP USD is going to be giving us for the day. Sorry, for the day. What market will do for us on Tuesday. So first thing first, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. Now, this is our movement on our GBP USD, right? So GBP USD has been dropping for a long time, right? This was a trend dropping, trending to the downside. Market has literally been dropping for a while. But when you take a look at what market has done now, market has now gotten to a crucial level, a key level right there, which is the support zone. So we must have a reaction at that level. No matter what markets do, markets must give us a reaction at that level. So this is the movement right here. We had multiple rejection from this level, right, previously, before markets eventually bounced up, right? Same thing, markets came to that this level, then we had the rejection and markets that bounced up. Markets also came here to have this level, which gave us a reaction and it bounced up, right? Now, market has now dropped back to tap this level. So we will be expecting a reaction from this level that will make market bounce up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our GBP USD. So if you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position on your GBP USD, you are definitely going to be grabbing a lot of profits on this movement. So guys, if you want to do, go in for the buy on your GBP USD and hold your buy position. Once it does that, then more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So if you do not want to miss out on any updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.